Hello and welcome everyone. There is another tech enthusiast video from Takeoff Edu Group. Your personal project is the one thing that makes resume standard and your skills sharper. Today we will be going through some of the project's ideas related electronics. The main objective of this project is to reduce the human-human contact and to measure vital health parameters using robot. In this project, we propose a robot named MedRobo with some functionality of providing medicine as well as to measure the vital parameters, heart rate, temperature, of the patient. During the current scenario, reducing the human-to-human contact in hospitals is required. In a bid to prevent doctors and medical staff from getting affected by coronavirus, the role of medicine delivering robots is evolving. The main objective of this project is to monitor patient health parameters like temperature, heartbeat using ESP32 controller. The advancement of the Internet of Things, IoT, technology plays a major role in developing the health sector by making it much more reachable and desirable. The integration of IoT cloud can play a vital purpose in smart healthcare by offering deep understanding the healthcare content to support inexpensive and standard person care. The main objective of this project is to display the text on notice board using IoT. The main aim of this project is to develop a wireless notice board for displaying the announcements and notices. It is a smart board developed as user-friendly notice board with wireless concept that offers the flexibility to control the notice board. The main objective of this project is to create a smart parking system which detects and finds a parking location for consumers' vehicle and displays the information in an IoT platform. The basic idea of this project is to create a smart parking system which is much needed system to save money, time, and even environment. Here Internet of Things aims at developing a smart parking system inside a smart city which automatically finds the nearest available parking slot. The main objective of this project is to help handicapped and old-aged people who will enable them to control home appliances and alert them in critical situations. In this fast-paced life of 21st century, automation plays a key role in human life. Home automation allows us to control household electrical appliances like light, door, fan, etc. It also provides home security and emergency system to be activated. The main objective of this project is to provide efficient health monitoring with the help of Smart Pillow by using various health monitoring sensors. Sleep is a vital, often neglected, component of every person's overall health and well-being. Sleep is important because it enables the body to repair and be fit and ready for another day. The main theme of this project is to avoid accidents by detecting whether the person is drunk or not, and if is drunk, the engine will automatically stops and lock. Drink and drive is a leading cause of road accidents. Detecting drunk driving requires stopping vehicles and manually scanning drivers by using breath analyzers. Well, here we propose a system that allows to detect drunk driving in the vehicle itself. The main objective of this project is to help blind people to walk without the help of others. This is a voice assistant system which will guide him when an obstacle moves towards them. The multifunctional blind stick for people who are visually impaired that might lead to improvements in the quality of life. The blind stick is for the people who need to navigate independently and feel socially convenient and secure while they do so. The main objective of this project is to track women who are in danger with jeeps and send messages to dearest ones. With the advancement in wireless technology, many tools have been developed to control a device from a remote location. These tools eliminate the need of physical availability of a person for controlling the device manually. Generally, GSM and GPS technology is used in these tools to locate and control a device. The main objective of this project is to remind patients to take medicine in set time using the RTC module. As the population on the Earth is growing, the long-ranging planning of health and medical facilities are affected, especially with old-aged people. Health issues are more compared with other aged people.